Hi students, today we are going to see the second part of our first lesson. Yesterday we have seen different points like topographical map or survey map and its introduction, use of colors on topographical sheets and the different colors and its purpose, then again the grid reference, then again its northings, eastings and so on, then again scales and its uses, then again the difference between large scale map and small scale maps, and the three methods by which scale is represented on the map, like a verbal statement method, representative fraction method, or graphical or linear method. Now we have to see measuring distance on the map and its various method of measuring distance. Then again we have to see conventional signs and symbols or legend. Let us start with the measuring distance on the map. Distance is the space between 2 points. It can be either short distance or long distance. Here you see it is written here, in India we are using metric system, means the unit of measurement is either centimeter, meter or kilometers. So on the map the distance is measured with the help of a scales. Now how to measure the distance between 2 points? Suppose if it is a straight line, or if we have to measure the distance between the 2 points or straight distance between the 2 points, it is quite easy. We can measure the distance with the help of a normal scale, and we can convert it by using the scale which is being given. Suppose if the scale of the map is 1 centimeter for 10 kilometers, we can easily calculate. Here it is an example. If the map distance is, we have said the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers, then we can calculate the distance by using a normal scale. Here the distance is roughly around 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter on the map is equal to 8 into 10 kilometers, that is 80 kilometers. So we can easily calculate the distance in a straight line by using a normal scale. But if you want to measure the distance on a curved road or a river, we have some other methods of calculating the distance. The first method is with the help of a paper strip, or second method is with the help of a thread. So we know that roads and rivers never go in straight line. It may always have a curved movement. So there we are using the help of a thread or the help of a paper strip. We are placing the thread on that river or on that road, then we keep it straight to this scale, then we will measure the distance. So these are the methods by which we can measure the distance on the map. Straight distance are measured by using scale, and curved roads or rivers etc. is measured either with the help of a paper strip or with the help of a thread. Now we have to see the last point, conventional signs and symbols. Last year we studied about conventional signs and symbols. The definition which we have learned last year is, it is the symbols which are used internationally, therefore they are called conventional signs and symbols. A variety of symbols are being used for representing various natural as well as man-made features. So these symbols are called conventional signs and symbols. Why they are called conventional symbols? Because these are internationally accepted. and everywhere the same symbols are being used, or it is said here it is universally accepted, therefore they are called conventional signs and symbols. The symbols which are being used on the map will be placed either at the bottom of the map, and it is called as legend. Now we have to see some of the conventional signs and symbols which are normally used on the topographical map. So here how the representation of urban or man-made features. See, permanent hut, temporary hut, deserted town or abandoned town. These symbols are being used. Then again human settlements. So there are three types of settlements which are being given here. One is nucleated, linear and scattered settlement. See, in Salembur and all we are having nucleated settlement. Each and every houses are placed close to each other. So such type of settlements is called a nucleated settlement. Whereas even if you are going to a village areas, we can see settlements or houses are being placed either on the side of the river or on the side of the roads. Such type of settlements are called linear settlement. And third type of settlement is called scattered settlement or dispersed settlement. In further remote village areas, even if we go, we can see houses are placed away from each other. Such type of settlements are called scattered settlement. Then again we have some other conventional signs and symbols for various monuments and buildings like a fort, tower, temple, then church, mosque, idgah, tomb, graves. Then again for various man-made features like a post office, telegraph office, then again police station, then again travelers bangla, then again circuit house, railway station and so on. Then again we have to see some other conventional signs and symbols for using political boundaries like international boundaries. Then again international boundaries means boundaries between two countries, boundaries between India and Pakistan or again India and China. Then again state boundaries like boundaries of UP and Bihar or again UP and Madhya Pradesh. Then again district boundaries. Then again some other boundaries like tehsil boundaries, then forest boundaries, boundary pillar. These are the signs which are being used. Then again how transport and communication is being represented. See, metal road or again tarred road are used by such thick two lines, double lines. Then again unmetalled roads which is not used by mortar, it is being used by using such broken lines. Then again pack track, then again cart track, then again footpath. These are the symbols which are being used. Then again we have railway lines, how it is being represented. You see broad gauge, that normal railway line that is being used by like this. Then again meter gauge. Gauge means the distance between two rails. In broad gauge the distance between two rails is 1.69 meters. Then in meter gauge the distance between two rail to the track is just 1 meter. Then again we have narrow gauge, that is 0.7 meter. These are the method by which railways are being represented. Then again we have to see how these natural features like water bodies are being represented. A small river is represented by such a symbol. Then again a large river, then again stream undefined, then canal, then rivers with the islands and rocks in the middle which are being represented by such a symbol. Then disappearing stream which is disappearing in the desert areas are being represented by a black line. Then again we have seasonal rivers. Then again confluence, where a river joining with another river or a tributaries. Then again meander. Meander means that S-shaped loops or curves which are being found there on the river in the plain areas. Then again waterfall, broken ground. In the on the side of the river sometimes you see useless land can be seen, which is being developed because of seasonal drainage. Then again drainage patterns are being given here, like 3 types of patterns are there normally: dendritic, trellised and radial pattern. Then again other water bodies and means of irrigation symbols are being given here, like a canal symbols. Then again tank, then again dry tank, then perennial lined wells. Lined wells means the wells which are properly maintained by using bricks and rocks. Such rivers are called perennial lined wells, and it is giving continuous supply of water. It is represented by blue bigger dots. Then again unlined wells, which is not having any protective measures. Then again brackish water means which is having salt taste. Such type of water bodies are being measured or represented by such a dot, and brackish is written over there. Then again tube well, then again spring from where that river is originating. Then again shoal, submerged rock and all is being represented by like this: swamp, dam, then again earthen dam, then again where a low dam across a river. These are all the symbols which are used for water bodies. Then again high raised areas like mountains, how it is being represented. You see there are different methods by which the height of an area can be represented, like spot height, triangulated method. These are the different benchmark. Then these are the methods. Here we have some other as well. First is spot height, which is given. One dot will be made and nearby number will be written, which is representing that particular hill is having, or that high raised area is having 340 meter. Then again this triangulation method, a triangle will be, a small triangular symbol will be made and 200 will be written, showing that that particular hill is having 200 meter height, measured by trigonometrical method. Then approximate height it is written here 10 r, either depth or height is being measured like that. Then benchmark, that is also calculated height. Then again relative height or depth is being represented here. You see 12 r is written over there, which is showing that this particular place is having either 12 meter depth or height. Then again contour, these are the line which is used for representing various natural features like mountains and all, and each and every line is numbered lines. Then again form lines, that is also one method of representing different land features, but it is not giving exact values. Then depression, then again vegetations, how it is being represented: vine or trellis, then again grass, open scrub, then palmyra, a kind of trees which are being found in desert areas, then plantain, then coniferous trees, then bamboos, deciduous trees which are being found in monsoon areas, then surveyed tree, a tree which is numbered, then dense forest, then an open forest, protected forest. Different types of forest are there. Some forests human activities are allowed, in some forests no human activities are allowed, so different types of forest are being found. Then fire line, a cleared areas in the forest boundary areas. These are the symbols which are used. Then again some other miscellaneous symbols are being there, some rarely used symbols. Then stony waste areas, then sheet rock areas, then rock outcrops, then sand dunes, stone quarry, brick kilns, then lime kilns. These are the symbols which are used. Then again following are the signs are simply shown, marked on the map. Then you see some other which is not having any symbols, rather directly which is written over there. So with this we are winding up the lesson. So today we have seen measuring distance on the map, then again different methods of measuring distance, then we have seen conventional signs and symbols, then we have also seen some of the important conventional signs and symbols. A part we have seen representation of urban man-made features, then monuments and buildings, then representation of political boundaries, then again representation of transport and communication, drainage and irrigation, means of irrigation, then again other water bodies and other means of irrigation, then representation of relief, height and elevations, then again representation of vegetation, then again miscellaneous items, then again some other symbols which are being used. Now we have to say the summary of the lesson. Then again its exercise part, which is solved. The tick the correct option is given, then again fill in the blanks is given. Then again we have some question and answers which are being given here. Some questions like fifth one is repeated, so I have written the question and answers, you can go through it. Third question, explain the following term. 4 terms are to be explained. Its answers are given here: verbal scale, then graphic scale, then again scale, then RF, representative fraction. Then answers are being given here, you can go through it. Then again fourth question is define the following. 4 words has to be defined. First one is causeway, then second one is brackish, third one is meander, and fourth one is contour. These are being given in the fourth question. Then fifth question is repeated. Then sixth question, answer in brief. These are the question and answers to be, these are the questions. What are the advantages of drawing a map to scale? Then state the importance of contour line in topographical map. Then state 2 ways to measure the distance. Then again, what is the importance of topographical map? State 2 reason. Answers are given here. Then again, second answer, third answer. First point is given, second point is here. Then fourth answer. Then again, some question and answers are the difference between large scale map and small scale map. That answer is given here. These are the question and answers we have to learn. With this, we are winding up the lesson. Please note down the answers and learn very well. Thank you.